ectopic pregnancy. Definition: any pregnancy where the fertilized ovum gets implanted and develops in a site other than the normal uterine cavity. So, the sites of ectopic pregnancy could be uterine or extrauterine. Amongst the extrauterine, there are three sites: tubal, ovarian, and abdominal. Amongst the tubal, the most common is at the isthmus. At the ampulla. Other could be at the isthmus, interstitium, and infundibulum. Causes of the ectopic pregnancy: it could be congenital or acquired. Amongst the congenital causes, it could be the tubal hypoplasia or tortuosity in the fallopian tubes. Amongst the acquired, it could be pelvic inflammatory disease, contraceptive failure, and tubal surgeries. Pathology: it is basically that pregnancy is unable to survive owing its poor blood supply, as it is not into its actual place. So it could either lead to the abortion, it could lead to resorption, or it could lead to rupture as in of fallopian tubes. So ectopic pregnancy, the patient could present with an acute presentation. There is a classical triad of the pain, amenorrhea, and vaginal bleeding. On examination, the patient is restless in agony, she looks blanched, pale, and there are classical signs of shock such as tachycardia, hypotension, falling systolic blood pressure. On per abdomen, there is the tensed abdomen, there is tenderness present in the lower abdomen, shifting dullness is present, and there is rigidity. On per speculum examination, bleeding can be seen. On per vaginal examination, uterus is bulky and tender. Management: the management of the acute presentation is resuscitation and laparotomy. So during resuscitation, we would definitely follow the airway, breathing, and circulation methods. And since the patient is presenting with the signs of shock, so first we will secure the large bore 2 IV lines, and then we will give crystalloids. Followed by, we can take the blood sample for hemoglobin and for cross matching, as the patient as we could later need to give blood to the patient. We must catheterize the female with Foley's catheter and colloids for volume replacement. And laparotomy is done in the emergency setup, and it has to be done very quickly. So basically, during laparotomy, we can go for salpingectomy followed by blood transfusion. If patient is hemodynamically stable, we can also do the laparoscopy and do the surgical part. For the stable patient, the medical management includes methotrexate in the dose of 50 mg per meter square IM.